and she was frantic. So the guy that had been supposedly doing their taxes for all these years was worked from a virtual office from somewhere, and they weren't able to get in contact with him. He wasn't returning phone calls. That's the problem with virtual offices, is that these guys, I don't know, sometimes I guess they go back and get a job or decide they don't want to be in the tax world anymore, and so they just unplug it. It's so easy to unplug it. I mean, at least, when somebody moves out of an office, you know that they previously had that office. There might be a forwarding address. You have proof that you can show that you actually worked with somebody. When you choose to work with somebody that works virtually, and I totally understand flexibility in the workplace and all of that, but when they don't have an office, they don't even have to move out. All they have to do is just unplug their current situation, and they're gone. And it's really puts a great burden on the taxpayer of what to do at that point. The IRS isn't going to buy the story. They're not going to understand it. They don't really even care. They just want the taxes to get completed and paid. And whenever tax jobs are rushed, it really creates a hardship for the taxpayer. We too often see places that move out. Here's one right here. There's a space available. Kind of see it right there. This happens all the time. A lot of these smaller offices, people come and go. They're very transient. And so making sure that you have a tax professional who is going to be with you, who has a presence, and basically you know where they live, is very important. The heartbreaker of this phone call was that the taxpayer didn't know where this person that was supposedly helping them with their taxes was even located. The taxpayer didn't know which state the tax professional was in. I'm using the term tax professional loosely. They didn't know, how to reach them. They didn't have an address. They had a phone number, but the phone number wasn't being answered. So really, when you have an IRS tax issue, and maybe you don't go see them face to face, but you know where you can go see them face to face. You know that you can go to their office. You know that you can go get an appointment, an in-office appointment if needed. And I've just seen this happen way too often, where people are using a tax professional, but then the tax professional, for some reason or another, decides that they don't want to be in this business anymore and just turns off the phone line. My name is Randy Martin at IRSprob.com. We help good people with IRS problems. You can come see us in our office. We love that. You can. We always do appointments over phone as well. Telephone number 214-214-3000. That's IRSprob.com, IRSprob.com.